welcome to the Cooking Journal. Today we're going to answer some comments in the comment section, which I ain't say leave no comments. I ain't tell nobody to subscribe, but y'all do it. So I'll try to get back with you. So the first one I got, it says somebody named Professor Dove has been bad-mouthing you. And I know the guy, believe me, he's no professor. I don't even believe the guy got a high school diploma. So pay him no mind. Next question. Oh, Cooking General, can you do a gumbo? Oh man, we in Texas right now. Weather's like 100-something degrees. But when it get close to the winter time, the blue crabs come out. I put blue crabs in my gumbo. Hey, it's coming. Believe me, it's gonna be good. Number 3. Cooking General, have you tried the new burrito from Taco Bell? Those kind of questions I don't like. Cooking General cooks. I'm gonna show you how to make a double meat burrito on your own. Come here, let me show you. First, you're gonna need some steak. I use steak. You're gonna need some scissors to strip it up with, onions, steak seasoning, and we're gonna cook this thing in olive oil. That's your first one. Second, you're gonna need some ground meat, some seasoned salt, and some black pepper. Third of all, you're gonna need some flour tortillas, and you're gonna need some vegetable oil to toast them in. You're gonna need your rice, you're gonna need some rotel, some refried beans, and cheese. That is a double meat burrito, not no Taco Bell. Oh, I can't believe you eat that. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. We got this here going on right now. Come on, let me show you. I got the steak seasoning on my steaks. I got the onions already. I use these scissors right here. Strip my steak up, and I'm cooking in a little olive oil. I got my rice going here right now, boiling. Then you want to turn out, and you want to brown your ground meat. And I put a little black pepper and a little seasoned salt in my ground meat. You can add what season you want, but that's what you do. And this is how we getting started right now. So come back, and I'm gonna show you Cooking Journal. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Man, this double meat burrito is coming on good. Now check it out. I got the ground meat done and my steak and onions. You mix them together and I'll strain it. And you put that in a skillet. When you put that in a skillet, you want to go ahead and add your rotel to it. Now you got your rotel added. Now you want to add your refried beans. Put them in there. We're going to mix this up. Now my rice is already boiled, so it's ready to go. Now you just want to get this stuff mixed up real good. Refried beans, rotel, steak, onions, taco, burrito. Welcome back to Cooking Journal. Now check this out. Now I got everything mixed in there. I added my rice. And when you get your rice in there, you want to mix it up real good, like this. You got your steak, your ground meat, everything right there. Now, you want to take your flour tortillas, you want to lay them with cheese on. Now, we're going to get this here ready, and we're going to put this in there, like this. Now, you're going to put your good amount in there, like that. Some more on that one. Yeah, let's get this thing right. This is double beef burritos. Put some on that one. Okay. Now, we got these here. We got them loaded up. Now you want to take them and you want to fold them. Like that. Take it. Fold it. Oh yeah. Let's put a little bit more on this one. Because they don't understand. There we go. Take them and fold them. You let somebody. Now, we're finna toast these here. We're gonna put a little vegetable oil in the pan, we're gonna fry them, and then come back. I'm gonna show you how they look. Hell, I eat them from taco. Cooking Journal, we finished. Now look here, check this out. Look at that. They brown and crispy. Taking them out. Look at that. Brown. Look at that. Now, you got ground meat, you got steak, rotel, cheese, everything you wanted in a burrito. This is a 2 beef burrito. So don't tell me no more about no video going to Taco